What's up guys, this is iDeviceLab009 and in today's video I'm going to show how to jailbreak A7 and A9 devices using doubleH3lix. So let's get started. So doubleH3lix is a semi-untethered jailbreak, which means that you need to kickstart it every time you reboot your device. It supports iOS 10.0 up to iOS 10.3.3 on 64-bit devices ranging from A7 to A9 devices. A7 devices are the iPhone 5s, iPad mini 2, iPad mini 3, iPad Air 1. A8 devices are the iPhone 6, iPhone 6 Plus, iPad mini 4, iPod Touch 6, Apple TV HD, HomePod. A9 devices are the iPhone 6s, iPhone 6s Plus, iPhone SE, iPad 5th generation. And keep in mind that this supports the devices that have a headphone jack. If your device doesn't have a headphone jack, this will happen. So because the jailbreak is not persistent, it will not remain installed after a reboot and you will need to rerun the exploit every reboot. And you also need to sideload it every 7 days to your computer. So what does this require? It requires the latest version of doubleH3lix, the latest version of Plum Impactor, and drumroll please, the latest version of iTunes if you are on Windows. This finally supports Windows. You all keep moaning about Windows, so there you go, you have Windows. Happy? But I will do this on macOS. So let's get Plum Impactor installed. It will take us to a GitHub page, and as you can see we have the files which explains what these are. In my case I will install Impactor macOS Universal DMG. Let's open it and let's drag and drop it to our applications folder. Perfect. And let's open it. Let's click open. Perfect. And now we have Impactor in our applications folder. And let me show you how to jailbreak your iOS device in 8 steps. Step 1. Get the IPA. Let's click on this button that says get Helix. Perfect. And now let's drag and drop it to our desktop. Step 2. Take a shower. Step 3. Prepare offerings. There you go, friend. I offer you this iPhone 5s, which is a full box. Please give me something in return. What the hell is this?
Is not what you want?
No.
Sibo.
Step 4. Provide your Apple ID,
No.
mother's maiden name, and SSN or social security number.
No.
Step 5. Do some stuff with Cydia Impactor. So I plugged my iPhone 5s into my computer, and this is the device that I will be using to jailbreak. It is on iOS 10.3.3, and I will go and open up Impactor, and let's go to settings and let's sign in. Let's add an account, and you need to add your Apple ID and the password. The Apple ID will only be used to connect with Apple servers and nothing else. So let me sign in and I will be back. Alright, I have signed in with my Apple ID, and you need to select the iPhone here, and let's drag and drop the IPA and let's click install. Perfect, and we have doubleH3lix on your device. And now I will show you the next steps. Alright, let's go to settings, general device management, and let's click trust, and there we go. doubleH3lix has been trusted.
Step 6.
Press the only button in the app. Step 7. Wait till it's done. Step 8. Profit.
Money, 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 money.
We can do complete upgrade, confirm, return to Cydia. And to show you how to kickstart the jailbreak, I will first turn off the iPhone and let's turn it back on. And as you can see, if I try to open Cydia, it's not going to open. You need to go into doubleH3lix. You need to click kickstart, and we need to wait 10 seconds or 30 seconds max until the system cools down. And it may fail and it may restart. You need to do this as many times as you need until it's working. Kickstart. Let's press home to unlock and let's go to Cydia, and there we go. This is how you kickstart the jailbreak. And to re-sign the jailbreak, you just need to follow the steps that I did in the video. And thank you so much for watching. Come back and subscribe, and I will catch you in the next one.